We're adding another BMW chassis to our ever-growing list of custom-fitting amp brackets. And which vehicle might that be? Drum roll, please. The G60. Welcome back. I'm Dylan with BeamerTech. Alpha One, you know it, you love it. It makes a world of difference in every BMW, Mini, or Supra that you install it in. And while we pride ourselves in having custom mounted brackets for our amps, it's a little hard to have one for every single chassis out there. Well, now you no longer have to custom install an Alpha One amp into your G65 series. We truly make it plug and play.
If you haven't heard about it yet, this specific Alpha One amplifier is specially tailored for late model BMWs with MGU head units. This plug-and-play amp delivers 710 watts RMS and 1,420 watts max power, which is over 3 times the factory amp. It features 9 output channels, which includes 1 RCA line-level pre-out to drive an additional subwoofer amplifier. It can also hold up to 10 tuning files that can be changed to fit your musical preferences.
None of our amps are tuned the same. Each one is tuned for your specific BMW and your specific ears and the music that you listen to based off a questionnaire that you answer. This will give you a truly unique listening experience. Now, while this amp will make your stock speakers sound better, to get the cleanest signal at any level, you're going to want to pick up a set of Alpha One speakers as well, but that's a topic for another video. To learn all about this amp and what it's capable of, we'll go check out some of our other videos on this topic or head on over to our website. But without further ado, Jarrett is going to be installing this in a G60 550E. So Jarrett, take it away.
First step is to open the trunk so we can disconnect the battery. Remove the floor panel by using a pick tool in the corner to get some leverage. Lift it up and remove it. With a 10mm socket, remove the negative battery terminal and set it aside. You may also want to tie a towel around the trunk latch, which will prevent the trunk from locking in the event it accidentally gets closed, which would lock you out. Now we can begin the rest of the disassembly to get to the amp location. With the BeamerTech trim tool, start by removing these 4 fasteners. Pop up the center section to unlock them, then pry them from the base of the fastener to remove it. A pick tool might help since they are pretty recessed in this panel. Lift up from the bottom of the panel like so and angle it out from under the weather stripping. Now for the driver's side trunk panel. Start by using a trim tool to carefully pop off this cargo tie-down cover. Once off, use a T40 bit to remove the screw and remove the tie-down. Do the same for the one at the far end of the trunk. Lower the rear seat on this side like so. Remove the now exposed fastener like so. Underneath, remove this fastener like so. Use a trim tool to remove this trim here. Start with the closer side and then the Gary Larson side, aka the far side. Be mindful of the weather stripping. With everything free, you can now pull away the side panel. It will take some wiggling and persuasion. Now we need to remove this cargo tray. With a pick tool, carefully remove this cover plate. Remove the 3 10mm plastic nuts holding the tray in place. Lift the tray out. You may see some extra cabling. That's because this amp was already installed without the bracket, and now it's being reinstalled with the Alpha One bracket the correct way. Take the amp with the bracket and place it into position here. Tighten down the included 10mm nuts. Now it's time to unplug the factory RAM module and plug in the Alpha 1 amp. Start by locating this connector in the factory RAM module. Press in the center tab and rotate the arm to unlock it and remove it. Grab the Alpha 1 plug-and-play harness and insert the connector you just removed into the harness. Place it in and rotate the arm to pull it in all the way and lock it into place. Take the other end of the Alpha 1 harness, and with the arm rotated to the unlocked position, place it into the RAM module, rotating the arm to lock it into place. Now it's time to start plugging in the amp. At the other end of the harness, plug in all of the connectors. They only go in one place, so you don't need to worry about messing anything up. The empty slot is for the remote and out cable, which will only be used if you install a trunk sub. You will get the cable in your kit and you can plug it in so you don't lose it, should you choose to use it later, but it won't serve a purpose beyond that. Use cable ties to tidy up all of the slack. Don't forget the USB cable on the other side. This will be used if you need to digitally access the amp in the future. Keep it somewhat easily accessible should you ever need it. Jared will place it in the cargo tray in the next section. At this point, the installation is done. Time for reassembly. Start by putting the cargo tray back in place. Reinstall the plastic nuts. Place the USB cable in the tray for easy access. And finally, snap the cover plate back on. Now for the side panel. Grab the side panel and articulate it into place like so. Make sure the weather stripping is over it. Replace the frontmost fastener, as well as the upper fastener. At this point, you can put the rear seat back in place. Replace both cargo tie-downs, and make sure you snap the plastic covers back on over them. Replace this trim piece here. Be mindful of the weather stripping. Snap the rear panel back in place and pull the weather stripping over it. Replace the 4 fasteners. Reconnect your negative battery terminal and untie the towel from your trunk latch if you used one. Replace the floor panel, close the trunk, and you're done.
And that is how you install our Alpha 1 amp with custom mounting bracket on your G60. Want this for your BMW? Head on over to our website and enter your VIN to get the right kit for your ride. Have any more questions about the amp? Reach out to our sales team via chat on our website or by calling. Already have the amp and have more questions? Reach out to our support team with your order number and they will be eager to assist. But as always, for more tips and tricks, product reviews, and so much more for BMWs, Minis, and Supras, make sure you subscribe and don't forget to ring that bell. Want to know what's happening first? Head on over to our website and sign up for our newsletter. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok as well. Thanks for watching.